Booking tickets into the Vatican and the Sistine Chapel is a fairly straightforward process if you know where to get your tickets. So I'm going to show you here how to book your tickets with Get Your Guide. This video is not sponsored, and I'm just showing this as a tutorial because I think their booking platform is really good. And so to get started, you want to go to Get Your Guide, and I will link in the description below the example I use in this so you can book it yourself, or maybe you might find some other options. So here on Get Your Guide's website, I'm going to go up here to this search. I'm going to click on Vatican City, and it's going to take me to a page with all these different options. And so the different activities here. And so right here, I'm just going to click on this first one. It looks like it's pretty good. You can see how many people have reviewed this. That's over 100,000 people. And I know it's certified by Get Your Guide, so that's a good sign. And a lot of people have booked it. So I'm going to click on it. It's going to take me to this window, and I can see here. And if we scroll through, I can read through, is this exactly what I want? Here we have the number of participants. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to select one adult. I'm going to pick a day, and you can see here the availability. So I would really book this well in advance if you're hoping to go. So I'm going to pick a random date here, and I'm going to click on Check Availability. And so here we have the different options. Maybe I just want a ticket, maybe I want an audio guide. And so what I'll do is I want to go after lunch. So I'm going to click on Add to Cart. And what it's then going to do is it's going to take me to this page where it's going to show me what other travelers have purchased. And so maybe I like the look of some of these tours and I want to add them. I can add them to my cart as well. But if I'm just ready to check out, I can click here, and it's going to take me here to this page. If you have accounts with any of these companies, you can use that. Otherwise, if you have a login with Get Your Guide, you can of course log in. You can continue as a guest, though I would recommend making an account just so you can keep track of all your bookings. And so here you're going to input your details, and you'll see here we've got what we've purchased, the date, how many people, and you'll see here this total, it's in US dollars. Now you can use your preferred currency. Get Your Guide is available in a multitude of currencies. You can even use this website in a different language. So if English isn't your first language, or maybe you just want to try another language, you can certainly book in a different language. It's a pretty user-friendly website. So here we have our details. It's showing me what I'm booking. I'm going to click on Go to Payment, and it's going to take me to a payment page, and it's going to show me the different payment options once it loads. And so I really like the payment flexibility that you can use with Get Your Guide. They offer quite a few different options, and I think that's nice when you're traveling and you want to spread your finances. So here we have PayPal as an option, debit or credit card. You can see all the different payment methods. You can use Apple Pay or Google Pay. And so once you pay, you're then going to get an email confirmation, and it will give you more information about how to collect your tickets, if there's a meeting point, anything like that. And that's it. It's that easy.